What is going on YouTube? It's your boy Mr. Random, and I'm gonna bring you guys out here to the Crown Victoria because this is the last time you're gonna see this car with the original Police Interceptor Steelies. There they are right there. I will be selling these as well. I'm gonna actually sell all 4 of them and a spare tire, but I want you guys to take a look. I feel like the T-Rex guy from like Jurassic Park, Chris Pratt. Anyways, take a look, take a long hard look at what this car looks like with the Steelies, because by the end of this video this car is going to look a million times better. It's going to look completely different, and that's because in the back of the truck we got a set of new wheels for the Crown Victoria, guys. The old Vic is getting some new shoes. Now these things are pretty heavy, but I want you guys to take a good look at them. They are Konigs as well, and these are actually the front ones. That's the front measurement. There's 275. In the rear ones right there, they're going to be 285s. And what that means, the 285, what that means is that the rear stance of this car is going to be so wide. It's going to look so good. It's going to be at least twice as wide as those Interceptor Steelies right there. Now, before we go ahead and install the rims, I'm going to give a big, huge shout out to my boy Gage. Remember that one time I was drag racing my Mustang for the first time? Now, in that video, I said those rims are going to go on the Crown Vic, damn it. And just so you guys can get a better look at the rims, like I said, I'm not exactly sure what kind of Konigs these are, but either way, they look freaking badass, especially that dark gray gunmetal. Like I said, these right here are the 285s right there. So I'm dying to see exactly what that stance and what these rims look like. They are staggered. These are 17s, those are 18s. I cannot wait to see what the hell this thing looks like on the Crown Vic. So without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and install these. Now, before we do any of that, I have to get the jack stand and the jack from this barn. And this by far is my least favorite thing to do. This thing is full of like snakes and rats and giant spiders and all that, so wish me luck. There it is right there. I look around, I don't see anything. Yo, this place is crazy. There it is. It's right there. Ah!
They told him, don't you ever come around here. Don't wanna see your face, you better disappear. The fire's in their eyes and their words are really clear. So beat it, just beat it. You better run, you better do what you can. Don't wanna see your back, don't be a macho man. You wanna be tough, better do what you can. So beat it, but you wanna be
All right, so there you guys have it. This is what the Crown Vic looks like with that staggered set of Konigs. I gotta say, this GoPro does not do it justice because it is a fisheye lens. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, go ahead and start doing that right now. Mr. Random Reviews. I took a bunch of pictures. Trust me, this camera does not do them justice. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna address the obvious, which is the really big wheel gap right here. But not to worry, because I will be doing a how to lower your Crown Vic video very soon. I'm going to show you guys pretty much how to lower your Crown Vic for under $100. But even with the 4x4 stance, I gotta say these rims look freaking hot and nasty. Oh my god, dude. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Let's go ahead and take a look at the backside. Now I told you guys it was going to be a lot more wider stance, so let's go ahead and check that out. As we go lower here, let's go ahead and lower. Oh yeah, look at that stance. Let's come over to this side. You can actually see it a little bit better. You can see how it kind of pokes out from the sides. Oh my God, I am in love. Either way, I gotta get out of here. A lot of people are starting to look. I mean, can you blame them? You see this freaking Vic parked in the middle, parked in the corner of your house. You're gonna be looking too. Either way, it's your boy, Mr. Random. Keep an eye out for more killer clean videos, guys. I'm gonna go fill this bad boy up, take some more Instagram pictures. Let me know what you guys think of the rims. I'll catch you guys on the next one.